Are people aware of getting concussions?
Well, you know, certainly if you get a concussion, you're going to know about it. So yes, people are aware when they get one. I think maybe behind the question is it has only been in the last maybe as much as 10, 15 years have we become aware that a concussion can be more than just a minor injury. So there's been a lot of effort to educate sports trainers, to educate athletes and doctors about the importance of concussions as a possible injury that can cause additional problems later on.
How and why are concussions a problem?
Well, let's see, how are they a problem? Just you get hit on the head, you get momentarily dazed, you know, the kind of cartoon thing where there's some kind of stars going out of your head there. Many guys or girls will go through this and feel fine, but say 10 minutes later. The concern, though, is that there is, when you get hit hard enough to cause those kind of stars or get you a little bit dazed, there is something that goes on that is a blunt injury to the brain and the tissues that overlie the brain. And you can think of it as the possibility of a bruise. You end up getting kind of bounced or bumped on the skin or the muscle, you get a bruise. You can get something like a bruise inside of the head, in the nervous system, in the brain. And just one that happens just once, no big deal. And usually the first time is not a big trouble, but it leaves you vulnerable for re-injury. And if you get a re-injury again, let's say even sometimes just within a few months to even a year, there might be more serious injuries. And the more common things that we're worrying about is just being less sharp. You're mentally not as acute after many injuries.
Okay, this is just a yes or no question.
Okay, let's see if I can do that.
Do people know about concussions, or like, that was one of the questions.
Well, actually, that's a yes or no answer to which I have. I'm not sure how many people know about it. I would say yes is the answer when we're looking at the Hawaii school-related sports personnel. Sports folks are very, very well educated. There's a statewide effort to develop protocols on educating the trainers as well as doctors as to how to manage concussions.